Welcome back to Auto's Car, where passion meets performance and history comes alive on four wheels. Today, we bring you a timeless American classic that left its mark in the world of muscle and luxury, the 1973 Pontiac Grand Am. This car was more than just a vehicle. It was Pontiac's bold statement of combining raw power with elegant comfort in a way that very few cars of its time could match. The 1973 Pontiac Grand Am made its debut during a changing era for the automotive world as muscle cars faced stricter emissions rules and rising insurance rates. Pontiac found a way to keep the thrill alive while adding a touch of sophistication. The Grand Am's design was inspired by European touring sedans, but with an unmistakable American attitude. Its long sweeping hood, the pointed beak-style nose, and wide stance gave it an aggressive presence, while the finely detailed chrome accents and smooth lines made it look upscale and classy. Under the hood, the Grand Am offered a variety of engine options, from the dependable 400 cubic inch V8 to the legendary 455 cubic inch powerhouse, delivering torque and performance that could still get your heart racing. Even in an era when horsepower ratings were starting to drop, the sound of that engine was pure music, a deep growl that promised excitement with every press of the pedal. Step inside and you'll find why Pontiac called it a personal luxury car. The interior was built for comfort and style, with plush seating, wood-grain accents, and a driver-focused layout that made long drives feel effortless. Every control was thoughtfully placed, giving the driver a sense of connection and control. Whether cruising on the open highway or navigating through city streets, the Grand Am offered a smooth and confident ride thanks to its advanced suspension system for its time. One of the most unique features of the 1973 model was its Endura front bumper, which could withstand minor impacts without damage, giving it both style and practicality. In an age when big chrome bumpers were the norm, it was a bold innovation that set Pontiac apart and made the Grand Am stand out even more. Owning a 1973 Pontiac Grand Am today is like holding a piece of automotive history. It represents a bridge between the muscle car golden age and the more refined luxury cars that would dominate the late 70s. It's a car that turns heads at every car show and sparks conversations among enthusiasts who remember the glory days of Pontiac performance. At Auto's Car, we celebrate classics like the Grand Am because they remind us of a time when cars had true personality, when each model had its own identity, and when driving was an experience, not just a routine. This Pontiac is a perfect example of how a car can be both beautiful and powerful, offering the best of both worlds for those who demand style and performance in equal measure. So whether you're a long-time collector, a muscle car enthusiast, or just someone who appreciates the craftsmanship of a bygone era, the 1973 Pontiac Grand Am is a name worth remembering. It's a symbol of Pontiac's dedication to building cars that stirred the soul and delivered on the promise of the open road. And here at Auto's Car, we'll keep bringing you stories of such legends to keep their legacy alive.